Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to keep your devices running smoothly. Today, we're diving into something that's been bugging a lot of Windows users: how to remove Microsoft Copilot in 2025. If you're one of those people who finds this AI assistant more annoying than helpful, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the steps quickly and easily, so you can reclaim your screen space in no time. First off, let's quickly cover what Microsoft Copilot is. It's an AI-powered tool integrated into Windows 11 and beyond, designed to assist with tasks like searching and productivity. But if it's cluttering your interface or using resources you don't want, removing it is straightforward. Step 1. Open your Settings app. You can do this by clicking the Start button and searching for Settings, or just pressing Windows+I on your keyboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Apps section, then select Apps and Features. Here, scroll through your installed apps until you find Microsoft Copilot. Click on it and select Uninstall. Confirm the action, and it should start the removal process. If that doesn't work, because sometimes these built-in apps are stubborn, head to the next step. Open PowerShell as an administrator. Search for PowerShell in the Start menu, right-click, and choose Run as Administrator. Now, type in the command: get Apex package Microsoft Copilot, remove Apex package. Hit Enter, and let it do its thing. This should force remove the app if it's deeply embedded. One more option. If you're comfortable with third-party tools, you could use something like CCleaner or a dedicated uninstaller program. Always back up your data first, though, to avoid any mishaps. After removal, restart your computer to ensure everything is clean. You might notice a slight performance boost, especially if Copilot was running in the background. Remember, Microsoft updates can bring it back, so keep an eye on future patches. There you have it. Removing Microsoft Copilot doesn't have to be a headache. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.